Psoriasis and eczema had taken over my life. The constant itching, the embarrassment, the pain, it was unbearable. Doctors prescribed steroid after steroid, but my skin only got worse. Then I discovered something so simple yet powerful: almond oil. Not a miracle cure, but a game changer for my skin journey. Let me share what happened when I started using it consistently. My results weren't overnight, but they were real and lasting. The science behind almond oil is fascinating. It contains high levels of fatty acids and vitamin E that deeply nourish damaged skin barriers. This isn't just moisture, it's healing. Studies published in the Journal of Dermatological Science show that natural oils containing these compounds can reduce inflammation associated with chronic skin conditions. This happens because the oil mimics our skin's natural lipid structure. The Mayo Clinic acknowledges that natural moisturizers can help manage symptoms of psoriasis and eczema when used as part of a comprehensive approach. This isn't about replacing medical treatment, it's about enhancing it. My journey began with small patches. I applied pure cold-pressed almond oil twice daily to the angry red spots on my elbows. Within 2 weeks, the scaling had visibly reduced. The intense itching that kept me awake became manageable. What surprised me most was how the oil absorbed without feeling greasy. My skin drank it in, especially after showering when my pores were open and receptive. I expanded to treating my face, terrifying with sensitive skin. Using just 3 drops warm between my fingers, I gently pressed it into problem areas. No breakouts, no irritation, just calmer skin. Researchers at the National Institutes of Health have found that natural oils can improve skin barrier function by 25 to 30% in damaged skin. This matters because psoriasis and eczema both involve compromised skin barriers. The anti-inflammatory properties come from almond oil's high omega-9 fatty acid content. It works by calming the overactive immune response in your skin. Less inflammation means less redness, scaling, and irritation. Consistency is key. Results took time, about 3 to 4 weeks before I saw significant improvement. Patience was difficult but necessary. Not everyone responds the same way to natural treatments. What works for one person may not work for another. Always perform a patch test before applying any new product to irritated skin. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours. Pure, cold-pressed, organic almond oil works best. Avoid products with additives or fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin further. Application technique matters. After showering on slightly damp skin, warm the oil between your fingers and gently press into affected areas. Avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can worsen inflammation. Start with once daily application and increase to twice daily if your skin responds well. A little goes a long way. Just a few drops for facial application and a teaspoon for larger body areas. Combine with gentle exfoliation once weekly to remove dead skin cells and allow better oil penetration. Use only the softest, most gentle exfoliants designed for sensitive skin. Track your progress with weekly photos in the same lighting. Skin healing isn't linear. Some weeks will show more improvement than others. Environmental factors impact results. Humidity levels, stress, and diet all affect skin condition alongside topical treatments. Some people may experience sensitivity to nut-derived products. If you have nut allergies, consult your doctor before using almond oil on your skin. Avoid using on open wounds, infected areas, or during active flares. Sometimes the best approach is to wait until acute inflammation subsides. Results vary based on condition severity and individual skin chemistry. Mild to moderate cases typically show better response than very severe cases. Consider almond oil as part of a holistic approach. Diet, stress management, and avoiding triggers remain equally important for managing chronic skin conditions. Consult your dermatologist before making changes to your treatment routine. This is especially important if you're using prescription medications for your skin condition. My skin isn't perfect now, but it's so much better. The difference is life-changing. Wearing short sleeves without shame, no more constant scratching, sleeping through the night. What will your skin journey look like? Try this gentle approach and see if it works for you. Your skin deserves this chance to heal. If this information helped you, tap like and share your own experience in the comments. Your journey might inspire someone else struggling with similar skin issues.